So here's the quick portrait lighting demo. So if you can see, I have light coming from one side. I have a reflector right here that's just a white board, basically white cardboard. And if I'm looking straight into the camera, you'll see the light's pretty much coming from one side onto my face, right? In a portrait, you'd want to make sure the background was neutral. In this case, I have a white wall behind me, which could work, or I might want to put, say, a black cloth or a solid color cloth or something behind to isolate the subject. So portrait lighting, if it's direct light from the side, coming from a window indoors, is really nice and fairly flattering. And remember, if I turn my head this way, I'm going to have what is it? Short lighting, because the short side of my face is lit. If I turn it this way, I'm going to have broad lighting, because the broad side of my face is lit. So broad, short. That makes sense? It's just how you turn the head. That's it.